As you can see from my demonstration, the window winder regulator on my 79 series Land Cruiser is in need of replacement. I found a way to live with it, but it definitely wasn't ideal. I'd grab onto both sides of the window, one side from the inside, one side from the outside, two hands, and lift it up, and then wind the winder a little bit just so it would hold in place. Future me here, it's been 6 months since I've done the window winder regulator job, and as you can see, the door card is off again. I'm just putting these sills and these clips back in place. All this time since I've had the new window winder regulator in place, the window has been working just fine, except that it would rattle a little bit in the down position. I thought the problem was this sill not having all of the clips in place because one or two of them had broken off, but it turns out actually upon opening it, I see that there is a rubber strip right up at the front that holds the window in place as it goes up and down, and that had fallen down into the bottom of the door. So that's fixed now, and the sills are just going back. To get the door card off, you've got to remove the winder, handle and door latch. The winder has a C-clip holding it in place, which just needs to be pushed off. Once you figure it out, it becomes pretty easy. The handle has two rubber covers which just pop off if you get a screwdriver underneath it. From there, as with almost everything on a Land Cruiser, a Phillips head screwdriver removes both bolts holding the handle in place. To get the latch out, there is one Phillips head screw holding it in place, and once that's out, just slide the latch forward towards the engine bay. Then you remove the door card. I should have used a flathead screwdriver for it and damaged the door card more than it already was by using just my fingers. And there it is, the new window winder regulator in all its OEM glory, with its OEM price tag.
Do you?
I propped up the window with insulation tape and did it pretty thoroughly. Bad idea, it didn't work. I upgraded to duct tape. 3 bolts at the winder, 2 bolts in the middle of the door, and 2 bolts holding the window to the regulator. Should be easy, maybe a 2-year-old can do it. Took me a good 30 minutes to get it done. To put it all back together again, it's just a reversal of the process. So you put in the new regulator, you do up the 3 bolts at the winder, the 2 bolts in the middle of the door, and the 2 bolts holding the window to the regulator. You put the door card back, you put the latch back, you put the handle back, and you put the winder back. A quick and easy improvement is these little rubbers. One of them is missing on this side, and 2 of them were missing on the passenger side. So I've bought 4 of them. Just going to take that one off, get 2 new rubbers on here. That right there is the rubber strip that I was talking about. It had come out and fallen into the bottom of the door. So as the window goes down, it's supported, and as it comes up, it's supported. While I'm here putting that rubber back in place, I figured I would reinforce these holes, of which some have got a bit damaged, by just pouring super glue all around it. I thought it was a pretty cool hack that I saw online, and these now just go into the big hole and slide across to the small hole, and that is how they work.